Right, so I put oil, mustard oil, golden mustard oil, into my pressure cooker. Not a lot, just a little bit. That'll do. And while it's heating up, I'm gonna add in my onion like that. And cook it until it gets brown. Okay. And let me just put it underneath my stove. Put my spatula there. And let's get a spoon of my ginger garlic. So that's the ginger. 1 teaspoon. Remember, not table. Teaspoon of ginger paste. 1, 2. Put the lid back on now. The garlic. Garlic, 1 teaspoon would be good enough. And I don't need them anymore. I'm just gonna put them aside here. And there we have it. We need to cook it. Is it in low heat? Not low, but cooking my onion, ginger, garlic, I would say in a medium heat. Now salt. This is, look at the spoon. Just a tiny bit smaller than a teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon of salt. To begin with, if I need, I can always add in, but if I add extra salt at the beginning, then there is no way to take it out of the cooking or to extract it. You can't do that. So start off with a decent amount. Okay. So now I'm gonna gradually add in 1 teaspoon amount of this golden turmeric powder. This is very typical for any dish, especially when it's curry. You gotta add it. So there goes my turmeric powder, and this would give it the golden color. And just a little bit, I would say 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, but you don't have to use this much. If you are not able to handle hot spicy foods, then you can add in just a little bit. Well, I grew up with curry, so I don't mind. Okay, stir it. I'm just gonna reduce the heat a bit. Okay, now I'm gonna add in the beef, but I'm gonna have to put this garam masala. Garam masala is like hot spices. So this is a teaspoon. This much would be good enough. Okay, putting it aside. And now I'm gonna add in just half a glass of water. And bring it to a boil. I hope you can see my work here. So I'm making the base for my beef to go into. All right. I would say we have decent amount of salt at this moment. We don't need no more. So take a look at the texture of the base of the curry that I'm making. So I'm just gonna add in the beef now. Like so. And stir. I'm just gonna cook it for like 10 minutes or so in high heat. Okay. And this is to make the spices to get into the beef. Okay, so when you eat the beef, you'll get the taste of all the spice, all the aromas, the intensity of it. Okay, let me just open the window for the cross ventilation purpose. So this would get rid of any smoke that this beef curry has generated this far in my kitchen. So I'll cook it for like 10 minutes. When it's done, when I'm done actually cooking 10 to 15 minutes, I'll return back and show you the next step.